Good morning, students. Today we will be doing the rest of the exercises of chapter 4, Partho the Park Keeper. Exercise C. In this exercise, you have to number these sentences in the correct order to sum up the story. बच्चों, आप लोगों को सेंटेंसेस को करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है जिस तरह स्टोरी में घटित हुआ है. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट विल बी पार्थो वॉज अ पार्क कीपर. द सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट विल बी he worked with a team of 5 people. Second statement. The third statement will be the park was closed once a year for cleaning. This will be third statement. The fourth statement will be this year the park was closed for 2 days of cleaning. Fifth statement will be during this time Partho and his team put the litter in bins. Sixth statement will be they also trimmed the grass and painted the benches. Seventh statement will be but they forgot to put up wet paint notices on the benches. The last statement will be so when they sat on the benches, their clothes had paint on them. This will be the last statement. In the next exercise, we will see about the articles. First, I would like to explain about articles. What are articles? A, an, and the are called articles. We use article A before a consonant sound and article an we use before a vowel sound. And we use article the before the names of things we know already. For example, Partho is a park keeper. In this sentence, article A is used before the word park keeper because the word park keeper starts with the consonant sound pa. Second example, Rakhi is an artist. In this sentence, the article an is used before the word artist because the word starts with the vowel sound a. Third example, Partho works at a park. He keeps the park clean. In this sentence, article A is used before the word park as the word begins with a consonant sound pa. The word park is used for the second time. So, we have to use article the before the word park. So, children, we use a before a consonant sound and an before a vowel sound. Vowel sounds are the sounds that the letters A, E, I, O, U make. We use the before the names of things we know already.
So children, we use article a and an before the names of things we talk about for the first time. And article the is used before the names of things we know already. So now we will see the exercise. A. Circle the correct word to complete each sentence. First, Leela has a shares the orange with her brother. Second, I am reading a or an comic book. A or the comic book is called Tenali Rama. The right answer will be I am reading a comic book. The comic book is called Tenali Rama. Third, mother bakes an or a cake for my birthday. The or an cake has my name on it. The right answer will be mother bakes a cake for my birthday. The cake has my name on it.
Fourth, Karan and Raja are in an or the zoo. They see an or a ostrich there. The right answer will be Karan and Raja are in the zoo. They see an ostrich there. Fifth, my friend has a or the pet cat. A or the cat loves playing with yarn. The right answer will be my friend has a pet cat. A pet cat. The cat loves playing with yarn. Now we will see the next exercise. Exercise B. Complete the sentences with a, an or the. First has been done for you. He is an artist and she is a doctor. Second, I drink a glass of milk and eat an egg for breakfast. Third, Diya has a raincoat. Her brother Raju uses an umbrella when it rains. Fourth, there is a small school in our village. We live near the school. Fifth, we watched a film called Cinderella. We enjoyed the film very much. The film. Now we will do the next exercise. Answer these questions with the opposites of the words in color. Look at the words in the box for help. Children, you have to write the opposites of the words which are written in colorful. You have to choose the words from the box. The words are far, new, clean, tall, small, dull. First has been done for you. Is the rabbit a large animal? No, it is a small animal. So the opposite of large is small. Second, is a coconut tree a short tree? No, it is a tall tree. So the opposite of short is tall. Third, is your school near the market? No, my school is very far from the market. The opposite of near is far. Fourth, does this room look bright? No, it is quite dull. There is just one light in it. So the opposite of bright is dull. Fifth, is Sasha reading an old book? No, she is reading a new one. The opposite of old is new. She bought it today. Sixth, is John using a dirty spoon? No, he is using a clean one. The opposite of dirty is clean. In the next exercise, you have to join the correct paths to write the sentences. First, Partho is a park keeper. You have to match it. Second, his job is to keep the park clean. Third, he loves his job. Fourth, he wants children to enjoy the park. He and his team work very hard. Now you have to write these sentences in the following lines. Thank you.